Now, most churches have greeters and ushers and stuff like that. So this is a pretty common thing. But you want to make sure that people feel welcomed and feel at home when they come to the church. That's a part of your welcome strategy. And finally, I'll say this. You want to provide 3 to 5 opportunities across the service for people to connect with the church. Right? And those can be a myriad of different things, but you want to provide those opportunities so that people come forward, so that they connect, and so that they really get plugged in and involved in what's happening in the church, right? So strategy number 1, you need a welcome strategy. All right. Strategy number 2, you need a follow-up strategy. You need a follow-up strategy. You're asking, here's what I'm asking. How will you encourage people to take a clear next step? You know, when you follow up with people, what you're doing is you're giving them the encouragement, you're giving them the push to take the next step. That's one of the things that you want to do. Again, you know that membership is not a one-visit decision. And so you want to keep on following up with people. You know, oftentimes, if you keep on pursuing people, eventually you catch them. And so you've got to make sure that you play the long game.